We need to download respective date bhav copy. Kindly follow the following steps. Go to entry menu, select upload bhav copy. Select the date for which you want to see in the report. Select investment type and respective exchange. Click on download from server. Your BSA bhav copy will get uploaded successfully. Select another exchange. Click on download from server. Your NSA bhav copy will get uploaded successfully. Now go to report. Select combined, realized and unrealized PL. Kindly select the date on which your bhav copy was uploaded. Click OK. Please wait until the reports get open. Kindly check your report. Kindly contact our support team for further assistance.